Good day everyone, you're watching Retu Fixes. On today's video, it's going to be a tutorial on how to fix Outlook can't send emails in Windows 10 with an error 0x800CCC13. Now, user might face this error message when you try to upgrade from Windows 8 to Windows 10 or maybe from Windows 10, 7 to Windows 10. So now so in order to fix this error, there are a couple of steps which you need to try. Or you might get an error message in Outlook saying that task email address, for example, alias at domain.com, sending cannot connect to the network, verify your network connection or modem. Now, one of the main reason causing this issue is because of the corrupt mlang.dlI file and also Windows Media Speech file, which is corrupted. Now, this issue can be fixed by fixing this DLL file. So it's a very simple fix what you need to follow. The first thing what you need to follow is you will have to open a run command or on your computer screen. In the search box, you will have to go ahead and type CMD. Do a right click on CMD and click on Run as Administrator. So in case if you get a user access prompt, you may click on yes or continue. And in the run command, you will have to type sfc space / scan now. So all single word, which is sfc space scan now. I will also mention this command line in the video description, so which is sfc space scan now. So once you hit enter on your computer screen, what this will do is it will try to repair the corrupt file. So basically it would run multiple phases. So once this has been completed, you will have to go ahead and restart your computer. Once your computer has been restarted, you can try opening Outlook and you should be able to send and receive emails in your Outlook 2010 or 2013 or 2016. I hope this video is helpful. In case if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.